So now that I'm on Desmos, what you can see is it looks really complicated and stuff, but it really isn't. You'll just get used to it and things like that. Okay. So you got login and sign up. We're not going to do any of that. And that's a really nice thing about this. I love using it with my students because even when you're 17, 18, I don't like you logging into things. I'd rather you not log into things. You don't have to log into this. So what you can do is you can press the plus button. Plus, and I'm going to add a table. And that's it. All right. It lets you add a table. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pick some random numbers. And I'm just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, as soon as I go into Y, I'm going to just pick some random numbers. I'm going to 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. And you can see straight away it plots them. I can zoom in. Let's get used to it. There, it's plotted them. All right. You can then do things like you can label stuff. What was this? I think for that one, this was voltage. Oopsie days, and will it let me do that? I don't know. No, it won't. I have to leave it as Y. Can I do V? I can do V, and here I can do A, and that's for amps, and there you go. So this is a very, very simple table. You can play around with it. I might just leave X and Y, and there it is. And on the right hand side, you've got all these different settings. So I can graph settings. Okay. We've got axes, numbers, minor grid line. You can do things like get rid of the grid. Okay. You get rid of the minor lines. And here you can put labeling. So my x-axis, my first column, I think that was current in amps. And you can see at the bottom over here in the corner, it now says current in amps. Oh dear. As I zoom out, you can see on the right hand side, it says current in amps. Let's just zoom in, and it stays there. And if I go back to settings, it's that spanner, it's graph settings. And here I'm going to go voltage in V, in volts. Right, voltage in volts. And you can see it turns up there, which is really cool. This is more options. Ooh. You don't want more options. Okay. And that's how you do a graph in Desmos. All right. You can try different things. We can make it a little bit bigger. You can even change your axes. But that's the first thing I want you to do. And once you've done it, I want an image of this. I want an image of this, of each table. I've given you 5. And you can take a screenshot. One of the ways of doing it is you can actually, if we go save changes, Command S. Now we have to sign in, so we'll forget that. You can literally just do a screenshot of it. If I do a screenshot, I'm just going to select the table. So I'll select the table all the way across. I can select the whole thing, doesn't matter. I'll stop. Okay, and I want for you to paste that screenshot into my row. All right, so I'm going to stop sharing that. So play, don't worry if you break it. Right? If you get it wrong, just here is, edit undo. And you can just go back, all the way to the beginning. You can see every single thing I've done and every single thing I've changed. And see it go backwards. They go, oh no, I've gone too far back. Go forward. Right? So Desmos is a lovely way of drawing graphs, whether it's for maths. You can even do, let me just get rid of that. You can even do, I don't know if you've done it in maths yet, linear equations. So I can do things like y equals 2x plus 1. And it gives me that. But anyway, we're not doing that. And we're just doing the tables. All right, I'm going to stop sharing, stop the recording.